Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This week I'm going to be using the Wrapped Greenery Bundle along with the All Wrapped Up Designer Series paper. Now this is specialty designer series paper, so I wanted to give it just a little bit of its own kind of video just to show you how gorgeous this is. The first thing I noticed was that the dies from the Wrapped Greenery set fit these two pieces of paper. So all of the dies, except of course the detail background die, fit on this piece of paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to die cut these two sheets of paper out so that I can take advantage of all of the pieces that match. So I'm just going to take these off and pop them back down on the page here. So let's see if I can put them all back. I didn't pencil outline these like I normally do. So let's see if I can get them all back to fit, which could be a bit of a challenge, and it's going to be a challenge. So I'm just going to flip this one around like this so I can put that one there like that. Okay, all my dies are back down. So what you may be able to see as I turn this paper is it's silver. There are silver lines in the paper. Now this paper is single-sided, but it is really thick. It's almost cardstock thick. It is really, really good solid paper. So I will be cutting out all of these pieces. And then this one, you can fussy cut out these pieces as well. And again, lots of that silver kind of pieces. Some of the leaves are silver, the dots on the blue bows are silver. Again, single-sided, but really, really sturdy. You could make a card out of this. Okay, and then we get into our backgrounds. This one, I just about swooned when I saw this one. It's got little silver dots in it. Again, I'm not sure if you can see them in the light, but it's got little silver dots. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous paper. I love, love, love this. And we've got our traditional check or plaid, again with those silver lines running through it as a layer in the plaid. Fabulous, fabulous background. And this is a silver leaf. You can really see it there in the when I changed the light. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then we've just got some really fun bows, and some of those bows, some of the bows are silver on top of the green. So lots of really, really fabulous paper here. So I will just bring this back into frame. And again, this is the page that all of the dies cut out except that big background die. The colors for this are Cherry Cobbler, Cloud Cover, Lost Lagoon, Misty Moonlight, Peaceful Pine, Pool Party, Real Red, Secret Sea, and Silver. So we've got a really, really good mix-up of colors in this. So I will be using this with every card this week, along with the Wrapped Greenery Bundle. So stay tuned for that first card as our next video.